Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to resolve the common system error 5, access denied, when running commands that require administrator privileges. And now let's get started. Sometimes you might encounter the error, system error 5 has occurred. Access is denied when you try to execute a command that needs administrator access, but you do not currently have those privileges. This can be frustrating, but there is a straightforward solution to enable the administrator account. First, you will need to access the command prompt with administrator rights. To do this, go to your Windows search bar, type command prompt, and then right-click on the result. From the context menu, select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window is open with administrator privileges, you can proceed to activate the administrator account. A specific command will be provided in the description section of this video for you to use. Please copy and paste this command into the command prompt window and then press the Enter key. Upon successful execution, you will see a message indicating that the command completed successfully and the administrator account will now be activated. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.